Hey there, this is Bradley Charbonneau. So we're going to super quickly import my fake project just to see how it works to upload a project. Later on, we'll be uploading the real project for Write Your Worst Book Ever, but this one is just a fake one just to show you how it works, and so we get the practice done and we know how to do it when the time comes. Okay, ready? So here's my Asana account. I've created sort of a blank nothing here, so as if I just started the account, and I have no projects, right? So what I could not figure out how to do was to import a project from scratch. So it seemed I needed to create a new project. I'm just give it a name, okay? Test project, that's fine. There we go. And now I can import it. So I need to have a name before I can import, okay? So I'm going to do this drop down right here. I'm going to go import. I want a CSV. And then it's going to say, where do I get that? I'm going to click here. I have it on my downloads, and I will get you that in the previous session. You'll have that file already. Here are the tasks I'm doing, and we do go to project. And then magically, it goes under this. This is a section. I wrote that. Okay, this is a section, and then we get the tasks. And so now this is what I wanted to show you. This is what it will look like within the course, but of course with real things. So what I wanted to show you, got the flying unicorn. This is what it's like when you're done. Like, not done with that one yet. So you can click on here, you get more details. Maybe there's a due date, details, maybe there's some subtasks here, right? And we can check and get those done. And then we're done with the entire project. See, isn't that fun? So if you like checkboxes, you like to-do lists, and you want to know, in addition to the lessons, you want to use something like this, what's nice about Asana is that I can give you a fully pre-made, pre-populated project list that you can then use to get through the challenge. Okay, that was it. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.